Your work and that of the Comet Research Group has faced intense opposition. So why do you think that is?
I think there are a number of reasons behind the opposition and behind the so-called debunking attempts that have been made again and again and again, almost to the point of overwhelming boredom, the number of debunking attempts that have been made. I think what it comes down to is, I don't think it's some kind of grand conspiracy. I think that what happens is that our society has appointed certain people, the legitimate guardians of the past, well-established existing paradigms. It's inevitable that you and I are going to face pushback. We're going to face it because the work of the Comet Research Group is an existential threat. An existential threat not to the Earth, but to those people who are invested in alternative views. Those, for example, who are invested in alternative views of climate change. I would say that those individuals feel threatened by the Younger Dryas impact hypothesis. So it raises question marks over the whole climate change debate. And I think those who are invested in the current position on climate change, that it's all the fault of humanity, do feel threatened by the Younger Dryas impact hypothesis. So what I see happening is an attempt to control narratives, an attempt to control the narrative of what happened at the end of the Ice Age. Another group who are unsettled by the Younger Dryas impact hypothesis are those who believe in the overkill hypothesis, who believe that human beings were responsible for the extinction of the megafauna at the end of the Ice Age, particularly in North America. To suddenly discover that human beings weren't responsible at all for the extinction of the megafauna, but that it was a gigantic cosmic event, the Younger Dryas impact, is very disturbing to those who are invested in the overkill hypothesis.